here is manual. It's been a while, but I have a few updates for my project, Bodynodes project, and here it is. You can see that I can move my arm here on Blender, and I'm using this little thing. There you go. So this is a chip from ST Microelectronics, and it fully integrates with my project, Bodynodes project. And just to show you a comparison, this is the previous generation of Bodynodes sensors that I used to work on, and as you can see, this is much smaller and it works the same. So I'm very excited for what is gonna come next. See you. Thanks for watching.